Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Dr. Bill here. Happy New Year to everyone. I just wanted to do this quick video as a follow-up to the heater core work that I did last summer. I had been saying that I had to wait until I got some cold temperatures to really be able to tell how good a job I had done. I want to tell you, I'll switch around and show you the temperature gauge. It's about 18 degrees right now. And I have to say, it has been a remarkable improvement in the heat in this car. It's not blisteringly hot, but it is warm. It is very warm, actually. And I'm very satisfied with the results. If I had it to do over again, I think I also would have drained the radiator at the same time that I drained the heater core. But even by just working on the heater core and doing that exchange and the cleaning of the heater core, what a tremendous difference it has been in the heat inside this vehicle. At 18 degrees, I am very, very comfortable, and I'm considering this quite a success. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time around.